Drivers and no strangers. What's up? Bearded Picker here on a frigid day in 54 degrees in Alabama. Love it. There's Harlan ahead of us. He didn't get the message that it was going to be cold today, or he said to hell with it. I think this will help warm it. Harlan, this will help warm you up. Stay. We've been to this one like 4 times. I buy like 50 cents worth. Let's see what we can find again. They got way more clothes than they normally have. Oil filters, quarter.
Pretty quiet. Can you grab that piece there as well? Okay, that's $9.25. 11. I'm just going to charge you $2 for that. $11.50. $1.75.
That's $1. Those are a quarter.
One more, at least one more make it be
All right, we're gonna get. We're getting both those. Y'all want some Funny Bones hands?
Saturday we're having a community day. We're going to have everything is free. We all should change food. It explains on there what everything is. I hate to Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
See you guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye. I saw this on the way out, and the phone making me feel bad.
All right.
You're welcome. Thank you.
See you.
All right, we're gonna put you up so I can pay. We passed another yard sale because that whole driveway will look full. That is a driveway full of shit. And Harlan wanted y'all to know that it is so cold. His nipples are poking through his t-shirt. Woo! That's so there. That's for all you ladies there who are here to check out Harlan on the video.
That's the windshield temperature for you right there.
It's is that the old saying? It's a tidbit nibbly outside.
I think so.
All right, there you go.
God,
There. Welcome to the yard sales right there. How about that? Oops, I'm gonna try not to hit this person there. How you doing? You see the look on their face when I tried to run over them. There's another sign to this estate sale. That's landscaping right there, ain't it? Whatever you want to, just let it grow. 5%? Or is it 50%? Can you add them together? Zoom. The farmer said.
Yes, it is. Just don't let anybody get that. I'll put it right there, baby. Okay.
Kitchen. Okay, let's see what this is. Somebody's dentist. Tackle box. Oh no, that's a utility box. Let's not limit it just to being a tackle box. It's a utility box. There's an old stapler. Somebody's saying, "Oh, it's worth a fortune." Oops. Toothbrush. In Tennessee, that's a toothbrush. It should be a teeth brush for everybody else. Where's Kevin when you need him with the old bottles?
Kentucky.
There's an old Dr. Pepper bottle, Kevin.
No prices on the bottom. Let's ask how much those are.
Free.
Free bottles.
I know.
Asking how much those are.
I know you sure didn't put a price on them. Does that make it free? Right. Okay. Next. Alright, so nobody lets you know the down and dirty about going to yard sales, but a key to yard sales is always work in an estate sale. Not because Saturdays are half off days, because estate sales you get to go off to the houses, and what does that mean? Bathrooms, baby. Don't make an extra stop to go to the bathroom. Work an estate sale in. They've always got a bathroom.
Lottie Dottie, we likes to put.
Welcome to an MJ estate sale. I got one at home. Camera. Video recorder. Yahtzee.
Oh, excuse me.
What's up, dogs? Alright, Joni gets the little wiener dog. Oh man, too bad they got broken heads on them. Last time we put it together like 3 times. Alright, what else we got here? What in the hell is that? That's a stamp. Alright. Smart baby picker. Yeah, I want to check the books out.
I don't know if anything here that I need. I want to get back to that.
I thought you already had a treat for me.
I do.
Well, we need another one.
It may be missing something.
Well, if I do, we'll fit it in.
It's $5. Sometimes you got to be. Sometimes you got to be.
I'll we'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
$5, baby.
I don't want
What else we got? Some radios. Some Radio Shack. Huh, I might have missed something over there.
You know what?
This. Wiener dog.
Someone down here you can plug something.
It's a what?
Right there on that table. Wiener dog. Ah, damn. Johnny don't get the wiener dog because he's missing a leg.
No wiener for you.
Hey, I wouldn't go that far. What in the hell? A porter jump. All right there.
Turn that knob there.
Last time I was here, I got screwed at an estate sale.
Excuse me. No, you're fine.
That's pretty interesting. Y'all just can't. Who's there? Smells in here.
Excuse me.
What an awful design of a house. All right. Check out the kitchen. There's some old stuff in here.
So somebody worth $6 man house? Oh, $2. Okay, part of it. So the $6 that we need.
Alrighty then. West. That's usually a pretty good brand, Oregon Scientific, but No back. And that was not the back. They're hard to give away. I think I turned the camera off. There's a TiVo Romeo. I didn't know anything about it. Romeo, whatever the hell it is. I looked it up, and if it has some kind of lifetime on it, it's worth 700 bucks. If not, it's worth 60. I paid $7. I'll show you the comps. Now to figure out what the hell the lifetime is. In case y'all are wondering, this is the outfit Harlan is looking. He's looking for somebody to fit into that. Or maybe if you're brave, you can come over here and be Wonder Woman. The complete costume right there. Are you Wonder Woman enough to come get Harlan? What the hell? Picture that last yard sale, because I don't know, I didn't want to be so obvious when I'm carrying this thing. It's such an awful yard sale. Throw stuff away, people. What the hell? Donate it and let somebody else throw it away.
Exam, massage table. Joker's heavy. Busted my knuckle.
Busted your moose knuckle?
Yeah, that's it. It's a cool table though. Check that out. It's got the massage thing there. Pop that up, down.
All right, so I got a question. Who's giving you this massage?
I don't know. It's going to auction on Monday morning, so it'll have to be pretty quick.
You know somebody who's got a lot of baby oil?
I do not. I don't know. But that's
You've got paper down here in the end. Y'all can make a mess.
cut.
There's some cleanup rags, or maybe that's a fitted sheet. I bet it goes over it.
I bet it does.
And then, just in case any of you ladies are germaphobes, he's got some nice germicidal disposable wipes. So y'all have seen what happens at the yard sale. So we're just stupid, and we make lots of stupid jokes.
It's got doors also.
Yeah, the doors are over there. Yeah. So what would y'all pay for the table? What do y'all think it was new? He gave what, 20 bucks for it?
20 bucks.
20 bucks.
That's at least.
Yeah.
It's gotta be at least $500 or $600 bucks.
Yeah, you gotta stay tuned. It's going to auction, so it's gonna take a couple weeks to figure out what he sells it for. But this is a nice thing. He's like, you think that'll fit in the van? You damn right that'll fit in the van. It fit in the van, and we still had room for 4 boxes.
And I broke my knuckle.
You're not gonna get any sympathy
All
from.
in a day's work.
You're not gonna get any. And you got the paper. Hey, I'd keep the paper and just use it for packing it.
Yeah.
It's not a good idea.